Hi, I'm Nandini and welcome back to my channel. This series is all about exploring the beauty, culture and soul of Japan. I will take you on a journey to uncover real Japan. Join me as I discover hidden gems, share unforgettable experience and connect with the heart of the incredible country. So, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like, share, and do comment on my channel. And let's embark on this adventure together. Arigatou gozaimasu. Thank you. We were heading towards the next spot, that was the Flying Fort Angelina, the enchanted car from Harry Potter and the Chamber of Secrets. And we were in queue to take a photo with that flying car. And next spot was familiar to the Wizard World chess set Harry Potter and the Philosopher's Stone, but there was not a big chess board. We got a chance to step into the Hogwarts Bridge, a notable set piece from the film series. The bridge, known for the distinctive architect and pivotal scenes, is a part of the outdoor backlot area of the tour. And here we can walk across the bridge and appreciate the intricate and reviving the memorable moment from the film. अगर आप इधर बियर खरीदना चाहते हैं ना तो आपको एक सोविनियर मिलेगा कप. हम बियर पीते नहीं तो हमें सोविनियर नहीं मिलेगा. बट बहुत महंगा है गाइस. 1300 यन. हम कॉफ़ी पी रहे हैं घर में मम्मी ने चपाती बनाई थी वो खाएंगे. ये कप लेकर जा सकते हैं. मतलब बियर में अगर आप आ रहे हो तो हैरी पॉटर स्टूडियो वर्ल्ड में. Now we are visiting the most iconic yet smallest space in the Harry Potter world. This is where Harry Potter's story began, the humble cupboard where he spent his earlier years before discovering he was a wizard. It's a cramped, tiny and filled with old household items, dusty shoes and cleaning supplies and few cobwebs. There was Harry's small bed pushed against the wall, very big enough for a child. And tapped to the wall, you will see these drawing and scribbles of the Harry imagining his world. Moving to the dustless living room, the frozen in the moment when letter pours through the fireplace and fill the air. The room is staged with hundreds of the Hogwarts acceptance letters suspended in midair, giving the illusions that they are floating around you. Panning to the right, we can see in the screen living room the Aunt Mark inflated like a balloon when Harry accidentally blew up the Auntie March, causing her to float away into the sky. After we left the Dursley house tour, our eyes were caught in very famous Hagrid motorbike with a sidecar, and also not to forget the Knight bus. After a while, we got into the most famous 9 3x4 platform of Hogwarts Express. Yes, there was a luggage trolley where you can force yourself. भाई तुम लोग बेहोश जाओगे अगर इधर का पैसे भी तुमने किया तो 6,700 रुपये का ये बैग है हॉगवर्ट्स का. मुझे लेना था मैं अमीर हो जाऊँगी तब आऊँगी. मुझे कोई नहीं रोक सकता था. This red steam train is actual locomotive used in the film. Inside the train compartment, there are setups where just like a scenes from the movies. Harry meeting Ron with the trolley of sweets and Dumbledore attack the prisoner of Azkaban. Luna and Harry having quite chat in order of falling.
उसका फ्रॉग है वो बढ़ गया हाँ हाँ and Harry got on Hermione Ron का सीन मिल गया हाँ
While exiting Hogwarts Express, Dumbledore come to see of us. We come to a place where architectural models were there. Each and every corner was decorated with art piece, and it was mesmerizing and detailed. Now we are entering the Ministry of Magic Hall, iconic Ministry Hall, just like Harry, Hermione, and Ron did during their daring mission. How massive and breathtaking Ministry is! The green and black tiles walls is the towering golden statue and the enchanted fireplace. Everything feels grand and powerful. And here comes the Magic is My statue was a black stone statue created by after the Dead Eaters took over the Ministry of Magic on 1st August 1997. Now we are entering the creator's shop where Hagrid robotic creature was there. Yes, you heard it right. In Harry Potter Deadly Hollow Part 1 and 2, there was no Hagrid, but a robotic part was there. And we were standing in front of the robotic Hagrid, and it was so mesmerizing and enthusiastic and exciting to be with the Hagrid robotic creature. We were just waiting for the creature to blink his eyes. Yeah, it is moving and blinking his eyes, as you can see in this video. In this creator shop, we have seen the Mandark creator shop by lifelike model, animatory and concept art. And here we can see monster book here. Here comes the Dobby, my favorite creature and Harry Potter best friend Dobby. We can see texture, composition and a sound recording. Everything, each and every details were there. Moving further, we got an experience of sitting in a broomstick like a Harry Potter and wandering around Hogwarts. in SFX and VFX effect. Yes, we all three of us sat in the broomstick and take a ride to the Hogwarts and roam around. I will share the video of three of us in the end. Please do watch it and like, share, and do comment about how it was. And here is the sound mixing machines where they recorded each and every sounds and detailed videos, how they shoot, how they recorded, and what were the material was used in recording. And here comes the variety of texture that has been used for recording and dubbing and for the sound effects. Here comes the variety of marbles where they used for the footsteps. ये साउंड इफेक्ट करने के लिए मटेरियल्स, ये सब अलग अलग साउंड क्रिएट करेंगे. Being a part of media student, I was truly amazed and excited to see this recording and filmmaking, and I was so glad that I come here with my parents. Here is Hagrid flute. He usually used to play flute. And here comes clankers. We move forward in a dark alley. We get into the cobblestone street of Dragon Alley, the magical shopping hub of the Wizard World. Walk through this iconic street just like Harry did when he first discovered the magic. Explore the spellbinding shop, secret hidden along the alley. The cobblestone pathways, twisting storefronts, and colorful shop signs bring the Dragon Alley to life, just like we saw in the film. Walking down the alley, there was a Ollivander wand shop, the famous shop where every young witch and wizard journey begins. And inside this stack of wand box filled with narrow shelves, just like when Harry's wand chose him. The giant Weasley figure tipping his hat, Fred and George's playful legacy brought to life. As a Harry Potter fan from my childhood days, I was thrilled and amazed to see this Dragon Alley through my own eyes, and I didn't believe that it was really happening to me. I was very lucky to be a part of this journey with my parents, and it is remembrance and most adventurous trip. As we move forward here, we can see the undesirable notes, billboards, and here comes the family tree of Harry Potter's family. Finally, we reach to the final destination, that is Hogwarts Castle Model, and which is the heart of Wizardry World. Hogwarts School of Witch Art, Witchcraft and Wizardry. If you receive your Hogwarts letter, which house would you be in? Let me know in comment down below.
अभी हम वापस जा रहे हैं.
That's all for now. Hope you guys like this video. If you like, then like, share and do subscribe to my channel. I will see you in a bit. Until then, bye, take care, love you all. Sarange, 안녕히 가세요. 감사합니다. arigatou gozaimasu. Bye bye.